Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2019 Ford Flex Limited. Coming in this nice dark gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cargo convenience package. You got the tow hitch package, limited appearance package, dual exhaust, rear park sensing, you got a backup camera, got roof rails as well with a nice black top to the vehicle. Nice looking rims on this vehicle as well. Keyless entry, keypad with blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do get remote start on this vehicle, which is perfect for the cold winter months. Front park sensing and that nice Ford Grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which is convenient to get access to your back here. Plenty of room, even with your third row up. You can collapse it, you can stow it away, and it will do it automatically for you. You got hooks and doodads, 12 volts. It's going to do that poweredly for you. Cup holders, tons of storage on each side. You can lift that up as well. I am going to just hit the tailgate function because I think it's a cool feature. I'm just going to watch it go here. Boop, boop, boop. And now you can sit in the back of your vehicle and have a nice little tailgate party, which is pretty nice, if I may add. I'm going to switch that back to normal with all that fun. And to close your liftgate, all you have to do is hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look in the inside now, we can see this vehicle does heat up to 7 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray leather interior. You got cup holders in the middle here. Pretty nice. You got rear vents all over the place. We do get our own little sunroof so you can pull out on yourself as well as up there. And up front, we got our own climate controls back here with outlets and cup holders and storage, floor mats, and plenty of door space in the back. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat as well as a powered passenger seat. Same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Memory seating for up to 2 drivers, lights, liftgate, power adjustable pedals, and steering wheel, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer saying 66,182 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, paddle shifters, toggle for your left and right side screen, seek, phone, voice, volume, cruise control, and over here for our left side screen we have display, trip and fuel, driving assist settings, and to my right over here we got navigation, entertainment, and phone. We got our gear select here, cup holders, storage. We got your center console here as well with tons of storage underneath as well. More storage here with your park assist, which will help you find your nearest parking spot, which is pretty nice. You got some storage here as well. Climate controls, dual climate up front, heated front seats. We're going to click here. You get it up here. You get heated and cooling front seats as well. Heated steering wheel, rear climate controls, hazard, Sony sound system, storage below. And above me we do get our features for our sunroofs, which provide excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter. And looking at our main screen here, we have navigation, audio, phone, all your seating settings. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, CD, Sirius XM, climate controls again, phone controls, navigation, apps, settings, general, Apple CarPlay, ambient lighting, voice controls, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD29076A, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.